Now students, we will do question 5. In the given figure, ABCD are 4 points on a circle. AC and BD intersect at point E such that angle BEC equals to 130 degree. This angle is equals to 130 degree as you can see the figure, and the angle ECD equals to 20 degree. And this one angle is given 20 degree and we have to find the angle BAC. So first of all, from the help of this angle 130 degree we will find out angle DEC, और फिर हम DEC ट्रायंगल में एंगल सम प्रॉपर्टी से एंगल D को फाइंड आउट करेंगे. So angle BEC plus angle DEC equals to 180 degree because these are forming a linear pair. So put the value of angle BEC here. You can write the reason also here, linear pair. Then you will put the value of angle BEC 130 plus angle DEC equals to 180 degree. And from here you can find the value of angle DEC, that will come 180 minus 130 equals to 50 degree. So we have find out this angle. Now come to this triangle DEC. We have got two angles. हमारे पास two angles हैं. हम third one angle को find out करेंगे using the angle sum property of triangle. और उसके बाद angle BDC और BAC दोनों आपस में equal रहेंगे angles in the same segment. तो our first work is to find the angle BDC. अब हम सबसे पहले angle BDC को find out करेंगे. So you can write in triangle DEC, angle DEC plus angle DCE plus angle EDC equals to 180 degree angle sum property. Yeah, all the angles of a triangle will be equal to 180 degree. Here you can just write angle sum property of triangle. After that beta, you are having the values of two angles, so you can put that one value in this. So DEC की जगह आप लिखेंगे 50 degree and at the place of DCE you will write 20 degree plus angle EDC equals to 180 degree. So from here you will add both these 70 degree plus angle EDC equals to 180 degree. And angle EDC जो है आपके पास, that you will get 180 minus 70 means 110 degree. Now students, you have got the value angle BDC equals to 110. So you can write from here angle BDC या angle EDC, आप कोई भी चूज कर सकते हो, equals to angle BAC, angles in the same segment. तो हमारे पास एंगल BAC की वैल्यू भी क्या हो जाएगी बेटा, जो एंगल EDC की वैल्यू है. EDC और BDC सेम ही एंगल के नेम है, आप इसको BDC भी लिख सकते हैं. So this implies angle BAC equals to 110 degree and this we have to find out, so that we have find.